if you've missed last video, this is my new for me, my 2020 Africa Twin standard model manual. Oh my god, she's bone stock other than this, so previous owner done me a favor. I think priorities has got to be the exhaust. I feel like he's gonna bite my finger. No, he's alright. She. Put her on the Africa Twin. Anyway, right, I'm gonna go enjoy my new motorcycle. This is crazy. Oh my god, that's so smooth. Let's ride. I've got heated grips. This is crazy. Guys, right, I need to stop talking shit and ride. Right, let's go. Is it left side of the road? Woo! Here we go. Right, we went the wrong way. Dumbass road signs took me the wrong way. Like, it was not, anyway, not gonna moan. We're gonna enjoy this detour. Just don't want to take this down a specific road. It's just on my way back. Nice road. Waiting for the local crackhead. I mean, the local crack dealer. He is the local crackhead. He's waiting for the local crack dealer. Way out here in the sticks. Anyway, guys, why oh why did I buy the Africa Twin? So he's got us in. He told us to go in tour mode. So we're just gonna ride it like this on the way home. When I get back, I'm gonna mess about through the modes. But back to what I'm trying to say. Why did I buy this bike, guys? I haven't had a real dream bike this whole time, and it was actually kind of long. I didn't know what to do with myself, because I'd look at these bikes, I think, whoa, that bike's amazing, but how can I actually ride that? What can I actually do on that bike? For example, the S1K, that was my latest, like that was the bike I thought, well, okay, this is my dream bike. After sitting on it that time, that was it. But then pretty much when I got to Brazil, the first day I was there, or the first day in the city where I was staying, I saw one of these wheelie up the hill in front of me, and I just fucking, I want one of them. That looks mad. And then I saw them everywhere, and then I rode one, and I just completely fell in love with the bike. They are just so nice to ride. It's going to take a bit of figuring out though. The other choice I had, which some of you lot might be a bit upset about, oh, this bike looks, I bet that bird was like, now look, it's an Africa Twin. I'm going to tell all his mates. Where are we? Nah, this is sick! Oh, there's a big hole. Fucking hell. See, what would I do if I ended up down here on any other bike? But actually, the one I was looking at as well, what I was trying to say, was the T7. Some of you, I feel like, might be pretty upset that I didn't get the T7, but guys, the reason why I got this, one, I've spent good time on it, and two, it's out of my comfort zone. I'd get on that T7 and be comfortable in 5 minutes. This is going to take some figuring out, and I just wanted that bike, you know. Like, this got like all these, it's a lot of bike for the money I just paid. This got a lot. This is going to make me, I've got many plans for this year. I'm sure you are going to love the content. I've been waiting for this moment to come back and bring this whole new approach to the channel that I've got planned. Yeah, she knows. It's a windy day today. This is just powering through. It's exactly what I wanted. I've got plans to travel a lot this year, so stay tuned. Keep your tits peeled. But I wanted a bike that pushed me out of my comfort zone and was going to be something completely new to me, where I was going to have to learn more, and I wasn't going to be able to get comfy on it quick. I'm going to have to go practice on this, get used to the weight of this bike, the way it feels, the way it performs. I'm going to have to learn to wheelie it as well. It's different, it's got electronic throttle, so whereas the T7, that's just going to feel like the 07, but as a big trail, as an ADV bike. I just don't know how traction control kicking in. I hope this car behind me ain't a police officer. Please don't be, please. Yeah, it's just getting it up. You got to give it so much beans to lift it in second. If you just roll on throttle in first, the bike flies up. But in second, it's so different. Whereas if I was on a T7, I'd literally boom, knee knocker, boom. This bike sounds mental, guys. It's f***ing mental. Yeah, okay, I feel like I've done quite a bit of seat time on this already when I was out in Brazil, so it shouldn't be too difficult to get used to. What's going on around here? I can't believe I'm riding this. I can't believe it. Look at this, look at it. The first fit, when I first saw these, it was the black one that caught my eye. I just thought, wow, that looks mean as f. And then I saw see the tricolour one, and that's the one I rode as well. And that was like top of the top for me. And I didn't even consider the red one. And it wasn't until I got to the UK, I started looking at them, I thought, I was trying to get the tricolour, but then the red one just grew on me. And I'm gonna do a build series on this. So first up, we're gonna get the exhaust done. I'm gonna spray all of these. I thought the flipping handlebars were bent then. They might actually be bent. Comment down, but actually you ain't gonna see. You lot are in flipping ultra wide view. They probably look bent if they were straight. Probably looking straight right now. Yeah, man, I hope that ain't... Oh, whatever, anyway, it's got warranty, I'll just take it back. Just get them to align it for me. I could just be bugging. I'll have a look with some fresh eyes tomorrow. Today, I'm not trying to think about that. As long as it's riding and not doing what it's meant to do, then I'm alright. But yeah, I can't remember what I was saying now, but pretty much I've had my eyes on this bike and I've wanted it since I've seen no other motorcycle other than T7. But still, I still kind of wanted this, you know. This is my hype bike moment. This is my dream bike moment. The one that I actually wanted. I found out, I spent time on... Hello! It's an adventure! I'm part of the adventure bike, boys! I no longer get ignored!
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
I've got to take this to the strip and figure out how to wheelie. It's going to take some time. I don't know if I'll be getting this to 12, but I definitely, I should be able to obviously chill at balance point. And that'll do for now. If I can get to that point and be comfy there, we're good. I've got plans to put 50/50 wheels on this in about 2 months to go with my traveling, and I want to go ride on some beaches. I want to go hit some trails here and there. Yeah, I've got a lot of seat time to get on this bike to get used to this. This is not just to get on and go. It is, but to be able to actually ride it properly, it's going to take some time to figure out. Like even just like cutting through town, like filtering. Oh, okay, don't get carried. I was going to lift the wheel. Didn't realise there was a junction back there, or with cars waiting at it. But yeah, I will be adding a Honda quick shifter to this as well, probably from that place there, if I can get them to install it for me, like order it for me, whatever I need to do. This is going to be my first proper project bike, so yeah, I've been so excited to get this. I think these bars are bent. I have this video proof to show them that I didn't actually crash it. Guys, I didn't crash it on the way home. I vlogged my whole flipping journey. That's bent though. Who would have thought? Oh, this is what I wanted. Oh look, this is what I wanted. Look at the potential here. Just come around here. Nah, don't piss me off. Why I gotta come at rush hour? But it's just such a capable motorcycle that... Please, I've just bought this. Nice one. Yeah, it's such a capable bike, and there's so much grunt to this. big 1100 parallel twin. It's just so smooth. It's exactly what I wanted. Like, I wanted the light clutch, the nice, the easy throttle, you know, the cruise control, heated grips, and just a premium feel motorcycle, but not too premium that I feel like I can't get active on it. That's what this is. I could do some damage on this bike. Yeah, it's just different. Like, it's so different to like feeling the bends. The 21-inch front with the thin front wheel. It just feels like you want to counterbalance, like lean it into the bends like a supermoto. This is sick. I'm so excited for like this next chapter of my journey in riding. It's exactly what I wanted. A new style of bike. Like, I've been on quite a lot of bikes now, and I'd never thought my first liter bike was going to be an Africa Twin. Look at this, you can just come out of here, boom! Like, yeah. Can't tell, guys, I am absolutely over the moon with this bike. I don't know what to expect from this bike. I have to go and practice. I have to slow it down. I have to come all the way back to basics when I go to the strip and start lifting this wheel and learn a whole new style of motorcycle. But yeah, you don't really see these bikes getting, like, they don't really have the reputation in the UK of being a, they have more of a reputation of being a touring motorcycle. So I've had a lot of people on my TikTok, guys, if you like the kind of poser content or any like average motovlog content, which I won't be posting on YouTube, go check my TikTok out. But a lot of people are saying like, why would you go and get the Africa Twin? People have been like, that's not your style, man, that's not your style. When they obviously they don't know anything about this motorcycle and what it was made to do. Of course it's my style. Well, it will be when I've grown into it a bit more. I'm actually slightly annoyed that these bars are out of alignment. I'm actually gonna have to go all the way back there, maybe even tomorrow, to do that. I would never have thought to check that. You know, I jumped on the bike as well, just get caught up in the hype. And you know, it's a Honda dealer. I don't know if I'm bugging out. Maybe I'm bugging out. No, I don't think I am. Anyway, there's so much, like, it just pulls like a fucking train. You get like mid RPMs, look how much grunt is there. Oh yeah, that's all the power I could need. That's more than enough power, and I'll be happy with that T7. I would. But yeah, I had to have one of these. Yes, mate, yes! Big brakes! I can't wait to get an exhaust. Yeah, the other thing as well, which feels so good, is how visible you are on this motorcycle. One, how much visibility you have. Two, how visible you are to other riders, I mean drivers or road users. Look at that! Oh, that's just amazing. It's so satisfying. When am I going to get the first bit of filter action then? Let's see what it's like filtering on this bike. That's going to be interesting. I have to invest in a few landmines as well for security. Good thing is, I think if you lock this motorcycle, there's no way that someone is lifting this bike I'm putting in a van. You'd need 4 or 5 people to lift this. This is like to lift it up off the ground into a van. Yeah, that'd be tough. I just want to get off and look at this thing. Oh, maybe the bars aren't bent. Let's go straight right now. Nah, they are. I reckon they are. Which is so gay. Fuck it, what am I doing acting like a pussy? Let me filter this bike. You know, these grips are getting toasty, lads. Jesus Christ, how do I get into that? You knock him down a notch. There we go. Oh my, this is so crazy. What am I even on right now? All these buttons. This bike is fucking massive. This is crazy. Look at this place, guys. Wow, I haven't been down here in ages. This town is so nice. So I think the servicing on this bike, I'm pretty sure matey said you ain't got to do anything to the bike for like 8,000 miles. Fucking hell, 8,000 miles. I'll do like 2 oil changes during during that time. 369, yeah, so like maybe 2.7k. Next bike I'll probably get will be a CRF 250. Spoiler alert. I need to hone in the dirt bike skills in order to transfer it over to this. How them lot ride it on the adverts and the professional YouTube videos, I don't know if I'll be able to do that. Me riding and them riding might be two completely different things. Two different sides of the scale. But I will have this up at least balance point. I'm curious to, like, I just want to know how it feels to be up at balance point. Like, am I going to have good vision? That's the thing I like doing about knee knockers is the vision. I'm just thinking, like, might have to be off to the side a little bit, but there's a lot of room down there. Oh, if you look, them bars are definitely clamped. I mean clamped. Them bars are definitely broke. I'll have to give them a call tomorrow. They're so long, man. Yeah, they are bent. I actually don't know what it is though. I should look at that when I'm not riding. If I can ride into a bush, then it will be bent. Let's send him a picture of the bike and be, yeah, mate, well, the handlebars are bent. I'm actually upset about the bars. How do I do cruise control? It's not working. Oh, it's on! And now I can flip. No way! Look at it! I've got to be careful because the flipping bars, yeah, the bars are definitely bent because the bike is going straight on its own. Like, and the bars are off. There, this is amazing. Anyway, guys, actually, no, I'll tell you what. We can't do an outro. I should do it here, really. Alright, guys, that is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed that. Weren't really nothing special, but I'm back in the UK, guys. I've got a new bike. It's that time. I'm gonna have the new exhaust whenever that happens. I'm gonna spray these black. I'm gonna get the handlebars straightened. And while I'm at it, I might see if they can get me them in black. If they are gonna sort them out for me. Guys. I know, not what you expected. I don't know. I've wanted to see content on one of these for ages. I've not had no one to watch, nothing. I've been watching Brazilian motovlogs. Helps with my Portuguese as well. But anyway, guys, that's going to be the end of the video. I'm going to ride home, drop my bag off, and then I'm going to get straight out there. And I'm going to enjoy the bike off camera. So make sure you subscribe, like, comment, bell notifications, because the content is taking a big switch up now. You're going to love it. See you next video.